Imagine waking up to find your entire digital life, your business, your memories, all held hostage. Ransomware isn't just about locking files anymore, it's evolved into a terrifying new breed of cyber extortion. We're not just talking about the problem today, we are arming you with the strategies to defend against this next wave of attacks and keep your digital world safe. Remember that headline about the major hospital chain shut down last month? Or the one about the city government scrambling to recover critical data? These aren't isolated incidents. The game has changed. We're moving beyond simple encryption. Now, attackers are using what's called double extortion. First, they steal your data, then they threaten to leak it publicly if you don't pay up. Some even add a third layer, launching massive denial-of-service attacks to cripple your operations completely. This isn't just a few rogue hackers anymore. The rise of ransomware as a service, or RaaS, has made these powerful tools accessible to almost anyone. Criminals can literally rent the tools and infrastructure to launch devastating attacks, targeting critical infrastructure, healthcare, and our schools. So, who are these new extortionists? Forget the old image of a lone hacker in a basement. We're now dealing with sophisticated, organized groups, sometimes even sponsored by nation-states. They engage in what's called big game hunting, meticulously researching and targeting large, high-value organizations for maximum impact and payout. They use the dark web to share tactics, sell stolen data, and refine their methods. A modern attack is a multi-stage operation. It might start with a compromised software update from a trusted vendor, a previously unknown zero-day vulnerability, or a highly convincing phishing email. Once inside, they move silently through the network, gaining more and more control. They use subtle techniques, often living off the land by using the system's own tools against it to avoid detection. Only after they have stolen everything of value and secured their foothold do they unleash the final blow, encrypting systems, wiping data, and delivering the ransom note. So, how do we fight back? It starts with fortifying your digital castle. This means proactive defense, using threat intelligence to see what's coming, diligently patching vulnerabilities, and building a secure network from the ground up. We also need adaptive security. Adopting a zero-trust mindset, where nothing is trusted by default, is crucial. AI-powered tools can help spot unusual activity that might signal an attack. And you must be ready for the worst. Having a clear incident response plan, keeping immutable backups that can't be altered, and running regular practice drills are non-negotiable. Looking ahead, the threats will only get more complex, with AI-powered ransomware and the potential impact of quantum computing on the horizon. Our defense must also evolve. This means stronger collaboration between governments and private companies, sharing intelligence across borders, and most importantly, strengthening our human firewall. Continuous security training and phishing simulations for everyone are essential because, in the end, an aware user is our best line of defense. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insights on staying safe in our digital world.